But it's crucial to understand that snoring, especially in children, is not always harmless. Persistent snoring can be a red flag for more serious conditions. Snoring can be the body's way of signaling that something is obstructing the airways, making it difficult for air to flow freely during sleep. This obstruction can be due to various reasons, such as enlarged tonsils, adenoids, or even allergies. This can significantly impact your child's sleep quality and overall health. Poor sleep can lead to daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and even behavioral issues.